Good morning, this is Ron with Mulholland Security, and I want to show you a project we finalized in the Pacific Palisades. It's a gorgeous house in a gorgeous neighborhood, and we basically removed some old curtain doors which were extremely heavy and obviously rusty, because curtain is meant to get rusty. But in this area, anything you'll put here will rust really fast. That's why these owners chose to use our aluminum products, because those do not rust and they're phenomenal and really great for coastal areas. We used our aluminum here. We did a couple of side doors and panels. This came out beautiful. You can see, this is really coming along beautifully here and works with this house beautifully, and you can see all the details. It's a very clean design and a very clean installation. We added a keypad for entry on this door. The front door is also very unique, beautiful blue color, really pretty. And again, you can see all the details on this. This does have some glass right on the top for its design. It adds a lot to it and came out amazingly pretty. You can see the nice hinges, the welded pull handle, and obviously again this is connected to an electric strike and to the intercom system. Last but not least, on the side here there is a trash enclosure which we replaced the doors for and basically covered it from every direction, so there is the same type door is on the inside going into the house, and then this door here, which again is controlled by a keypad. Altogether a really pretty and a really clean installation for this house. Really complements this modern house, and we are getting a ton of compliments, and the owners here are extremely satisfied and extremely happy, getting a lot of compliments from the neighborhood and their friends and family. That's it. Ron for Mulholland Security in the Pacific Palisades.